Have you ever wondered why some people always seem to have radiant, glowing, relaxed skin even without makeup, while others, despite trying countless products, never manage to achieve lasting results? The truth is, you don't need a complicated skincare routine, you need one that's consistent and scientifically sound. Today, I'll guide you step by step through how to build your daily skincare routine based on the principles of aesthetic medicine and longevity. Hi, I'm Dr. Thalia Rossi, an aesthetic and longevity doctor. I help people live better and longer by taking care of their health and beauty at the cellular level. Our skin is our business card, but it's also an organ that tells the story of our inner biology: stress, nutrition, sleep, hormones, inflammation. Taking care of it means practicing anti-aging prevention, or as I like to say, well-aging, not only from an aesthetic perspective, but also from a biological one. If you'd like to explore these topics, read my articles on my website. I write about hormonal health, preventive medicine, and skin care as a reflection of inner well-being. Let's talk about the 4 fundamental steps of skincare. Cleansing, the foundation. Cleansing isn't about stripping the skin, it's about restoring its natural balance. It removes makeup, pollution, and excess oil, allowing your skincare to work better. Choose your cleanser based on your skin type. Dry or sensitive skin, prefer a cleansing milk, balm, or oil. If you have an oily or combination skin, choose a gentle foaming gel. Doctor's tip: if you wear makeup or SPF, try double cleansing at night. An oil-based cleanser first, then a gentle water-based one. It prevents clogged pores, irritation, and inflammation. Treatment: the active phase. This is where skincare becomes a science. Think of serums as your skin's targeted medicine, concentrated molecules that deliver specific benefits. In the morning, focus on antioxidants like vitamin C, niacinamide, or resveratrol. In the evening, use regenerating actives like retinol, peptides, or gentle exfoliating acids. Doctor's tip: start slow and consistent. Better a mild product every day than an aggressive one once a week. Third step: moisturizing. Repairing the barrier. Every skin, even oily skin, needs hydration. A healthy skin barrier means less inflammation, fewer wrinkles, and better tolerance to actives. Look for ceramides and cholesterol to rebuild the barrier, hyaluronic acid to hold water, glycerin and panthenol to calm and restore balance. Doctor's tip: if your skin feels tight 20 minutes after application, maybe your moisturizer isn't right for your skin type. Sun protection, the real well-aging step. Over 90% of visible aging comes from an exposure. UV rays damage DNA, break down collagen, and trigger chronic inflammation. Your sunscreen is your first anti-aging or well-aging treatment. Use a broad spectrum SPF 50+ daily, even in winter, even indoors. And yes, blue light from screens also contributes to aging. Doctor's tip: use the 2-finger rule for proper SPF coverage on face and neck, and reapply even 3-4 hours when outdoors. Now, let's talk about advanced steps: exfoliation, masks, and actives. Exfoliation has to be smart, not harsh. Exfoliation removes dead cells and boosts skin renewal. But overdoing it can cause irritation and barrier damage. Start 1-2 times per week, depending on your skin type. Normal, combination, HA acids like lactic or glycolic. Sensitive skin, try with PHA or enzyme-based exfoliants. Acne prone? Well, let's start with BHA, salicylic acid, for pores and oil control. Never combine exfoliating acids and retinol on the same night, never. Masks and intensive treatments. Masks are the boosters of your routine. Great to hydrate, soothe or purify when your skin needs extra care. Hydrating masks, hyaluronic acid, aloe or panthenol. Purifying masks to control SIBO, white clay, zinc, charcoal. Brightening masks with vitamin C, niacinamide or fruit enzymes. Doctor's tips. Apply after cleansing, leave on 10-15 minutes and always follow with moisturizer, even if your skin feels hydrated. Personalize the actives by skin type. Choosing the right actives makes all the difference. Dry skin, well, you can use ceramides, squalane, peptides. If you have an oily skin, better with niacinamide, light acids or zinc. But if you have a sensitive skin, it's better to use panthenol, centella asiatica and azelaic acid that is gentle. Mature skin, well, that's perfect with retinol, collagen stimulating peptides and antioxidants. Your skin has its own biological signature. My role as a doctor is to decode that and design your ideal routine. Skincare is not just cosmetic. It's preventive medicine. Each time you protect your skin, you're influencing cellular aging processes. The same factors that age your body, stress, inflammation, poor sleep, and oxidative damage, also age your skin. That's why I always say healthy skin starts with a healthy lifestyle. Good sleep, hydration, anti-inflammatory nutrition, and balanced hormones make your skincare truly work. Remember, skincare isn't about perfection, it's about consistency and awareness. Start with the 4 basic steps. Add the right actives gradually and listen to your skin. On my channel, you'll find more videos about skin longevity, cellular beauty, and how to choose the best actives for your age and skin type. You can also visit my website. Subscribe to my channel and let's build together a beauty routine that supports your longevity from the surface to the cells. And if you'd like a personalized skin and longevity plan, you can contact me privately. I'll help you design your own strategy to age beautifully and consciously. See you in the next video.